Our top 5 best iPad cases. One number product. ESR Case Compatible with iPad 9th generation. This sturdy folio case would make our picks list even if it didn't cost less than a Waffle House breakfast. The black version was $9.99 at last check. Made of a durable and flexible TPU plastic, the case protects your tablet from dings and scratches without chipping or cracking over time, like harder plastic cases tend to. It fits your tablet like a custom-made glove while still being easy to attach and remove. The screen cover's magnetic closure wakes your iPad when you open it and puts it to sleep when closed. And when you want to prop up your iPad into viewing mode, at a 65-degree angle, or typing mode, at a 30-degree angle, the cover folds into thirds to make a triangular stand that doesn't collapse. 2 number product. ZUGU The Alpha Case for iPad Air Gen. Lots of otherwise decent cases are held back from greatness by their unreliable stands. The ZUGU Alpha Case, however, isn't one of them. It's a winner not just for its overall high quality and solid list of features, but especially for its secure, magnetized stand with 8 angle options. Made of microfiber, fiberglass, and vegan leather, the case provides plenty of long-lasting protection from general wear and tear, as well as drops up to 5 feet. It's got a small window to hold your Apple Pencil, a sleep, wake cover, and a magnet so powerful you can use it to stick your iPad to the fridge. That said, it's a fairly streamlined and non-bulky case that doesn't feel heavy inside your bag. 3 number product. Logitech Combo Touch for iPad. Sure, the Apple Magic Keyboard case is a techno marvel, but you don't have to spend near laptop prices to turn your tablet into a functional laptop. The Logitech ComboPad costs far less than Apple's model and offers most of the same functionality, including a trackpad. In addition, the ComboPad's backlit keyboard also features brightness and volume controls, as well as other helpful keys, such as a play, pause button. The case itself is sturdy and durable feeling, and can be used with or without the keyboard. 4 number product. ShellBox Compatible for iPad. Whether you spend a lot of time outdoors and don't want to worry about rain or water damaging your tablet, or you actually want to take some underwater videos, the ShellBox has you and your iPad covered. The rubber case is easy to put on and take off, and fully sealed to provide IP68 protection against water and dust. It's sandproof, dustproof, snowproof, and fully submersible to a depth of 6.6 feet for up to an hour. It's also fall-proof up to 2 meters, so in addition to all that maritime protection, it's rugged enough to handle calamities on land, as well. The case still gives you access to all the ports and buttons and is relatively slim, with an included lanyard for carrying and an attachable stand. 5 number product. Casemade Dual Stand iPad Pro 11. If you like the look and feel of leather or just like to treat your iPad like a classy, leather-bound book, this is the case for you. Made of natural Italian cowhide leather, the Casemade elevates your tablet experience without sacrificing any of the toughness or functionality of a less aesthetic shell. The case has a sleep, wake function when you open the screen cover, easy access to all the ports, and a durable and snug-fitting but flexible polymer mold that makes snapping your iPad in or out a breeze. The case's cover folds back and hooks into itself for a secure, triangular stand. It's a bit on the expensive side compared to plastic models, but it feels great in your hands and looks lovely on your desk or bookshelf. Thanks for watching this video.